In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in Pipedrive. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your browser and head to the Pipedrive website. If you're not already signed in, click Login and authenticate with your usual method. Use your work credentials, and if you have access to multiple company accounts, make sure you're in the correct workspace so your data is accurate. Once you're in, look for insights on the main navigation. This is Pipedrive's reporting hub, where you can analyze deals, activities, revenue, and more. Go ahead and open Insights to see your dashboards and the option to build something new. Next, click Create. From the Creation options, choose Report. This tells Pipedrive you want a standalone report you can fine-tune, save, and reference later. You'll now be prompted to choose the type of report you need. Pick the one that aligns with your goal. For example, if you're evaluating sales performance, a deals-based report is great for tracking won value, conversion rates, and pipeline progress. If you're assessing team productivity, an activities report helps you review calls, emails, and meetings. If you're forecasting revenue, focus on expected value over time. The key is to match the report type to the question you're trying to answer. After selecting the type, you'll see configuration options. This is where you finalize your setup before moving on. Set your date range to the period you want to analyze, apply filters to include only the relevant pipelines, stages, owners, or deal statuses, and choose how you want to group your data, such as by stage, owner, or time period. Pick a visualization that makes the story clear, bar, line, or table, so stakeholders can understand the result at a glance. Take a moment to validate the preview. If the numbers don't look right, adjust the filters or time frame. When you're satisfied, click Continue. You'll land on the detailed report view. Scan the chart or table, check the totals and subtotals, and confirm the breakdowns match your expectations. If anything needs a tweak, make your adjustments here. Now it's time to save your work. Click Save. In the Save dialog, give your report a clear, descriptive name that reflects its content and timeframe, like Deals Won by Owner, last quarter. Choose a folder so your team can easily find it later. Organizing reports into the right folder keeps your insights area tidy and consistent. If you have access settings, confirm they match your sharing needs. Finally, click Save again to confirm. Your report is now stored under Insights and ready to revisit, share, or add to your dashboards whenever you need it.